Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record a voiceover for tutorials in Microsoft Clipchamp. So there are a few ways to get started. If you already have a video recording, you can go ahead and load that in your timeline just as I've already done. Now once it's loaded into your timeline, you can go ahead and click on the record and create tab here at the left hand side of your screen. And as you can see, you're presented with a few options. So you can go ahead and click on audio. And if it's the first time you're using this menu, it should ask you for permission to use your microphone. And this is also a great opportunity to make sure that you're using the correct input device. Once that's done though, and you've allowed permissions, you're pretty much ready to start recording. And you can start by clicking on the start recording button. So after a short countdown, it's going to start recording as so. You have a few buttons to use. You have your pause button if you need to take a break, or maybe you need to fix something in the background. You also have your record again button if you want to quickly start over. And then you have your stop and review button if you're done recording your voiceover. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop and review, and you're going to be able to listen to the audio you've just taken. It's going to start recording as so. If you aren't satisfied with the result, you can always click on retake recording, or you can save and edit it if you are. My check. This is an example recording for a YouTube tutorial. So once you click on save and edit, it should automatically load into your timeline and you can move it around and make sure that it's placed properly along with your video. If you don't have a video already prepared though, you can also record both your audio and your video at the same time using Clipchamp. So all you have to do is go back to your record and create tab and click on screen. So this time you're going to be able to see. So it's pretty similar to the audio menu, but this time it's also going to ask what window, screen, or tab you would like to record. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it asks us which window we would like to record. This time I'm going to choose the entire screen. And if you have any audio playing on your desktop, you also want to make sure that the also share system audio button here at the bottom is enabled. That way, anything that plays on your computer will also get recorded. Once it's done, I'm going to click on share. And after a short countdown, you can see it has started. Or you can hide this bar at the bottom if you'd like by clicking on it. And now I'm free to do whatever it is I wanted to do in the first place. So let's say you're done making your tutorial, you're done explaining what you wanted to do. You can go ahead and go back to your video project inside of Clipchamp and click on the stop and review button. So also very similar to the audio recording, you can also pause if you want to take a short break or need to fix something, and you can also start over by clicking on the record again button really quickly. So here you can double check before saving it to your project. Since this is a demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on save and edit. And as you can see, it's automatically been added to my timeline, and it comes with its own audio file embedded. After a short countdown, you can see it has started. If you'd like to edit the audio separately, you can go ahead and right click on the video in your timeline, go to audio, and then click on detach. So this separates the audio file from the video file, and you can edit the audio however you see fit, whether you want to make some cuts to it, etc. etc. That's pretty much going to be it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.